Alright, y'all. I just bought a lot of parts. I do own a Yz250 two-stroke Monster Edition 2023. I'm finna attempt change the oil, change my air filter, spark plug, or check spark plug. One of the two. But got everything we need. Stay tuned. More content coming like this. Subscribe, comment, roast, and share. Please.
It's a chapter in there called DMX Saves Def Jam.
Change the oil, y'all.
And it goes to say when they signed DMX,
2020.
they had went into bankruptcy. If you remember, go back and look at his first album. DMX is the only artist. At the bottom of his album, it's a number down there, like a serial number.
Yeah.
He's the only artist because they didn't know what their album was gonna do, so they put it out. So when it started doing numbers, it pulled Def Jam out of bankruptcy. Leon Coins was the president.
Oil filter.
And Leon Coins is writing about 3 pages in there. Bro, when you read, I put it this way.
So what we cop today.
He said when he went to go sign DMX, he went down to the Rough Riders camp. DMX was at home with broke jaw. He had a broke jaw because the niggas jumped on him.
Yeah, I remember that.
He was at Rough Riders camp. Everybody freestyling. Jada, this, that, and the third. He looking for DMX. Swiss found out what DMX was when he got him. DMX come in, everybody get quiet.
Get you a little bit of that.
And he walking around, don't nobody know he got wine in his mouth.
Cold outside.
Yeah.
Leon Cohen, this is his own handwriting. He was like, he walking around back and forth pacing. And he was rapping, but he got wine in his mouth, so he mumbling.
Yeah.
So about 10 minutes of that, he said DMX stopped pacing. And he said he's sitting about 20 feet from him. Said DMX started yelling slower, and then he got loud. He said, now just the scene is, he yelling, you can hear the metal popping in his mouth. He got blood running out of his mouth, and he freestyled. Leon Cohen said, I was so scared, I just wanted him to sign the paper so I can go.
Oh shit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I got to read the book. I got to go get that.
Hey, how do you think he came up with that dog? The dog,
Oh, from that?
No. They was in the studio, him and Swiss Beat was in the studio. And Swiss Beat was trying to record something. And DMX didn't like the song. So DMX would rap and then he'll bark. He'll rap and bark. And Swiss Beat was getting mad, so he kept doing it. So when Swiss Beat edited, he put the barking in there. And that's how he got it. Yeah.
Dang, yeah, I got to read that shit. I got to read it.
Hey man, you gonna learn so much, bro. And at the back, all his prayers that he said on the album, on his first album, and some that he didn't do, boy, he got some touching prayers in that boy. The last.
It's in the book?
Yes, boy, that thing.
Yeah, I got to read it. I got my girls.
Boy, that right there, I tell anybody, that right there, beast right there. I read his. What's name got a good autobiography too? Ice-T.
Ice-T?
Ice-T got a big autobiography, boy.
Okay.
You name it, he did it. From pimping hoes to robbing goddamn jewelry stores to stealing cars.
I believe
Boy, he is a beast. That's why he got a lot of when Ice-T started rapping, everybody like, man, quit playing. But he kept saying all his partners died and shit and going to jail. So
true.
And by the time he started rapping, he was still pimping, and he just went into a studio and they said just kick some pimp shit. And he just started talking on the mic, and then they told him, nah, they paid him, and then he was like, a couple of days later, dude come back, hey man, I need you to come back. Boom. Hey man, I need you to do. So they kept paying him. He like, shit, I'm about that $1. So he kept coming back. That's how he started rapping, dog.
Let's see if I can lift up on it, y'all.
I got a little way more shit.
Oh man, I'm telling you, bro, that shit is something serious, bro.
Yeah.
But you gonna like that DMX book though.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get out.
You gonna learn a whole lot, boy.
So CJ, where you at?
Real.
That's the shit, nasty shit that we was talking about.
What is
Voodoo?
it? Voodoo Ranger.
That shit been out for years,
This
man.
IPA. What IPA stand for?
Some bullshit.
Yeah.
Like a special beer or some shit.
You remember back in the day when we used to have them,
I remember we had IPA.
where they mix shit. They'll take beer mixed with goddamn grapefruit mixed with shit like that.
Yeah.
That's what IPA is, man. That shit nasty as hell. The alcohol content high as hell though.
What's called high? What's called nasty?
Yeah, it's high as hell, but that shit be nasty.
Y'all just ain't getting no oil change from me. Y'all get good talks around there. Let me tell you something. Watch this. You ever delivered them clown shoes and taste it?
That's IPA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tastes like burnt coffee,
Yeah.
liquor,
Yeah.
what else? Name something else nasty. Off the top of your head real quick. Go ahead.
Goddamn burnt rubber. That's what it tastes like.
Rubber. Okay, we got coffee. Burnt coffee in that. Burnt rubber.
But you
and
know
liquor.
that that's
Clown
what's
shit.
taking over now though.
What?
They call them
Sweet water?
No, what's the name of that damn brand?
It's okay, I know sweet
Yeah,
water.
but they that's what they doing. They mixing high alcohol content with all
What's
this
called
bullshit.
that was Sweetwater got.
Yeah.
Just forgive me, guys. Don't report me. But I feel like IPA, Sweetwater is 60 Hippie.
Mhm.
That's what it is.
It's for people that like beer, but they want
With a flavor.
they want flavor in it.
Yeah, that's
You give my shit hard on the rocks.
That shit nasty, man. We had clown shoes. We gave it to.
But I bust water that.
What's the name got?
It stank so bad. I ain't even taste it. But
That shit was
I
expensive
smelled
though.
it. Yeah,
One bottle, $22.
yeah.
That
Clown shoe.
the little tall bottle,
Mhm.
$22.
Yeah, like a Heineken bottle.
Fuck
Double
yeah.
deuce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$22 damn dollars. I never forget that shit. That shit. Ugh.
I ain't gonna lie though, me delivering that, I would love to see somebody that actually, went in the store and wanted that and buy that.
What's the name used to drink that shit?
I would love to have a conversation with
Nah,
them.
what's the name used to drink it? Red wine.
I see why they call him red wine.
Yeah, he used to drink it. Nah, red wine,
That boy drink anything.
that's his last name.
Yeah, but I see why. Granddaddy or somebody drank anything.
Yeah, red wine. That motherfucker used to drink that.
Man, I could know.
That's just like right now, the bill that's taking off now is that damn, because it's Christmas time, that's St. L's. It's like ginger, and some other shit, like Christmas beer. And that shit selling like a song, man.
Bad or bad. About to drop the plug back in here.
Hey, David, you ain't never read none of Donna Goins' books?
well, who?
Donna Goins.
Don't know. Nah.
Okay, I don't know if you listen to Tupac, but in one song, he said, Donna Goins is my father figure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's, I heard.
Okay, I'm gonna explain Donna Goins. Donna, all these black novels that you got out here now started from Donna Goins. Donna Goins was the only author at that time in the 70s that was writing street novels, like the way they talk. He like in the 70s, how they say, "Hey, cat daddy," and he was the only one writing like that. And this other guy that was a pimp called Iceberg Slim started copying his style.
Iceberg.
But he got some good books though. If you talking about reading some shit, like Donna Goins got some real good ass books. My favorite one out of all of them was called Daddy Cool.
Yeah.
It's about this black hitman, and he didn't kill him with a gun. He killed all these people with a knife.
Yeah.
But that shit deep. Matter of fact, what's the name made one of his movies?
What you call it?
Talking about who? You talking about?
The black dude.
It's between Herb Gotti and I want to say Daniel Dash. One of them made one of his books. And one of his...
Dash?
That was the one where the dude, I remember the movie, dude that played in Barbershop with the green eyes.
Yeah.
He played in it, and his mama, the mama was hooked on drugs. And anyway, as the movie goes on, he started selling drugs, and then this dude kept coming by messing with his mama. So he ended up killing the dude.
Yeah.
And come to find out, all this time, the nigga was his daddy.
God damn.
Oh boy, that's deep. It's deep, dog. It's deep.
God damn.
Cause it show you how he got his mama was a like real pretty and all that, and the mama was messing with him because he was a little dope boy, and his mama told him said, hey man, you don't make enough money. So the dude that he killed said okay. So he knew his mama smoked goddamn snorted powder. So one day he went out there and told her it was powder and got his mama hooked on heroin. Bro, it's a deep, but it was a book though, dog. And I'm telling you that, hey boy, that thing right there was something serious. But see, like I told Claude, what it is really nowadays, instead of reading when you out there driving, you can go to these audio books.
Yeah.
And because some of them, the author, they'll go and do it, they'll have somebody else do it, but it's the same as reading the book, dog.
Right.
And yeah, you got, that's just like the autobiography of Malcolm X.
Yeah.
The movie, Spike Lee did okay, but the book is better.
Yeah, book way better. I read some of that. I ain't read all of it, but I read some of it, most of it.
But you know what hurt me the most? What I found out about that though? When my dog told me the goddamn old boy didn't write the book.
What you mean? Oh, he ain't write it?
Nah, he dead now, your boy, he used to be talking all boy, your boy, he was hell now, black dude without beard, Dick Gregory.
Dick Gregory, yeah.
You cold blooded.
He said the same dude that wrote the book, supposed to be Malcolm X's book, and the dude that wrote Roots, they the same two people.
Damn.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you his name in a minute, but Dick Gregory came out and said that he didn't write neither one of them.
God damn.
Alex Haley.
Gregory was one of them
Alex Haley, I heard him.
Yeah, Alex Haley.
Yeah.
He wrote Roots and Malcolm X. But if you look it up, your boy said he told the truth. He said if Alex Haley wrote the book, why when Alex Haley died, he died broke and his famous friends had to pay for his wedding. Pay for his funeral.
Look what we
He said Malcolm X wrote about $2 million a year, the autobiography.
Yeah.
Boy, when he said who wrote both of them, dog, I had to go do some research. Who you think wrote Roots and did the autobiography of Malcolm X?
And one Dick Gregory?
No.
Who was?
An editor that worked at Playboy.
What?
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, you get getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, you get getting rough. Now shorty, she in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce & Gabbana. She feed them fools fantasies, they pay her cause they want her. I spit a little G, man, and my gang got her. An hour later, had her ass up in the Ramada. Them trick niggas in the ear saying they think about her. I got the bitch by the bar trying to get a drink about her. She like my style, she like my smile, she like the way I talk.